What's good, Cam members? You already know what time it is. Yes, it's your boy General Spooky, and today we are talking about what your spiritual. You see what I'm saying? Your spiritual family, your spiritual confidence booster. Yes, family. This is your spiritual confidence booster. This tip does work. I'm telling you, it does work. You getting it directly from the general. And yes, let's hop straight into it. I'm not even gonna waste no time with you. I'm just gonna give the trick up. I'm gonna give the tip up. Let me give you the key. Let me hand over the key. What, family? The goal is for you to be aware of your awareness, family. And with that being said, we hopping straight into it. So look, family, straight up. This is your spiritual confidence booster, family. Okay, cool. This tip, this mechanism, this instrument, family, is great for situations to where you either feel like you're unsure of yourself. You see what I'm saying? You would like an extra boost, or you've just been embarrassed or put in a situation to where you either been humiliated, or you would just like to sort of get yourself out of that shrugged, you know what I mean, turtle shell that sometimes, believe it or not, like we've all experienced ourselves just kind of like shutting off on ourselves, or ourselves just running a little low on confidence, family. And there's nothing wrong with that, but I'm letting you know that is an internal source, that is an internal feeling that you can actually contribute to and help yourself out, family. Why? Because it's a state of mind, literally. So with that being said, come on, family, let's talk about it. So look, family, this is the trick, this is the tip. Look, all you have to do, family, is anytime you would like to have just a extra boost of confidence, family, all you have to do, family, literally, is clench your two PC muscles. Literally, yes, clench your PC muscles, not your buttocks, but the muscles that are like right above it. Yes, family, the ones that you use when you actually urinate, for a great example. But yes, family, clench your two PC muscles all the time, daily. At least do 50 today, 50 to 100. You know what I mean? Or be like, it's like a great. You know what I mean? Or matter of fact, you don't even have to do any a day. You see what I'm saying? That's just if you would like to sort of like strengthen that muscle and strengthen that mechanism. You see what I'm saying? And sort of stay at a certain vibratory state. But even past that, family, you know what I mean? Even if you were just like stuck in a situation, or like you're about to like approach your crush, or you're about to go on a date, you see what I'm saying? You're about to go on a job interview. This is important, family. You know what I mean? So like this is a great tip. You see what I'm saying? Just to give yourself, you know what I mean? Just to help yourself out a little bit. You know, family. So yes, once again, you clench those two PC muscles, family, and you wait, and you clench them. You breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. And when you clench, you pull. You're pulling that energy up to your belly button. And once you feel that energy in your belly button, family, I'm letting you know right now that the medicine is working. The medicine is kicking in. The medicine is churning. Yes, family, you are now. Soon as you start to feel that feeling in your belly button, family, I'm letting you know right now you are completely now operating out of a total different frequency, family. You're now literally operating out of a total different state of mind, family. Straight up. Why? Because now you're feeding different chakra points in your body, family, literally within seconds. So yes, family, with that being said, family, once again, I'm gonna tell you the tip, and I'm gonna say it clearly, straight up. Clench your PC muscles until you feel that feeling, that tingly feeling in your belly button. Once you feel that tingly feeling in your belly button, family, I'm letting you know that right now you have just rose. You have just lifted yourself. You have just elevated yourself, family. So yes, family, straight up. Once you feel that tingly feeling in your belly button, family, I'm letting you know that you are now at a new state. And what begins to take place is a lot of the things that you were entertaining, like while you were mad or upset or like a little unsure of yourself, you'll tend to be a little more creative now, family. And let me tell you why. Actually, I'm gonna give you another nugget. It's because you're feeding, believe it or not, your sacral chakra, family. You're feeding your sacral chakra. So now you're directly sending energy directly to that region of the body, which forces the mind to expand. Because what we don't realize is we're operating out of what we see, because it's an internal feeling. You see what I'm saying? So we reflect through our eyes, but we also have different states of being. We have happiness. You see what I'm saying? We have curious, you know what I mean? Curiousness. You see what I'm saying? Like, we have strength. You see what I'm saying? We have intelligence. We can also be precise. Like, there's so many different attributes and different keys that are just internally with us all the time, but you sort of unlock them based on your vibe. And if you would just like your vibe to change, I'm gonna let you know right now, family, that this will be a great mechanism for you to try today. You see what I'm saying? In jobs, work, you know what I mean, dates, anything like that. Anytime you will need a confidence booster, family, this is your spiritual confidence booster. Yes, it works. Now you know. Let it glow. Let it show. I gotta go. I love y'all.